So now I will show the push notification. I'll log in from the browser. I just posted this task for new doctor, so I'll make an offer to it. I'll just type some details about my bid. Moment I post it, I get a notification in my mobile. If you can see, like new bid, Rakesh bid on your task. So I'll just click here and my app launches where it redirects me to the task which had been posted. So now what I'll do is, if you can see, the counter has been updated. So here also I can see the new bid. I'll again go to the task. So now I have the option to accept this bid. Make the payment. So again I get a push notification saying payment successful, you have successfully accepted the bid. Also I get the notification in the app instantly. So I'll just click on the notification to see the task. So here is the task, as you can see. Okay, so now I'll just go to my task screen and I'll go to the task which I posted right now, which is new task. So here now I'll click on job done. I'll give the feedback. So now the feedback has been given. So now it is up to the Dzinn admin to see this task and make the payment to the customer. Now we'll go to my profile section. So this is the my profile section where you can see my reviews. I can click on any of them to see the name of that person. For example, I click on Rakesh, I can see his account and the reviews he had got. Like right now I just give him the review, okay, you can see. You can also see the task for it. So now I'll just upload a profile picture. So I'll also update my details, something like uh, I'm good, and I'll click on this edit icon again. So this has been updated. Again I'll click on the profile photo, which will redirect me to the pics I want to upload. So I'll just upload a dummy pic. It will ask for permission, I'll allow it. So now the new photo has been uploaded. It takes some time to display your profile pic. So here's the notifications, here's the home screen, here's the earn screen. You can click on any of the tasks. Then if you wish to see who has bid on your task, you just have to click on his name to see his reviews and etc. You can also see your bids, the task on which you had bidded. So this is the task I had bidded on. I can also my bid by just editing here, like I will something. I'll update the amount also and click on save. So the moment I come back to this, you can see the things are updated. So I'll show you another flow where I edit one of my tasks, like this one. Okay, I'll put a new task, something like this, GHH. I'll paste it. Now I'll bid for this task from my browser. This one. Takes some time to load. Yeah. Okay. Now he has posted. So now what I'll do is I'll edit my task over here. So I give it some name like updated task, something like that, and update my bid. And I'll click on save. Okay. So I go to my tasks. Sorry, even from notifications I can go. So as you can see now I have the accept option, but I won't be able to accept it as the bidder has yet now not updated his bid, it says. So now I'll go and update my bid. So I'll just update it like 250. I'll give. I'll click on update. So again I get the notification like bid updated. So I'll click on it. So now if I click on this accept button, sorry, I just misclicked. So now if I click on this accept button, I'll get the option for payment for which can I where I can click and do the payment. So this completes the complete flow of the app. I can also search a task from global, like I'll just type doc and the tasks which are corresponding to my search pops up. I'll click on them to see any detail about them. So I think that completes the complete flow of the app. I'll just log out.